Hi guys, welcome to Elly's Jewellery House. My designs this month of June are this multi-colour full cluster bracelet. Has a mixture of vibrant glass beads. I have used head pins and coiled them using round nose pliers, then slid the coils onto chain. I used stainless steel chain, a beautiful statement bracelet, simple and fashionable design, 8mm pearl glass beads, 6mm by 5mm emerald green glass beads. I have used silver plated head pins and ear wires. A cluster bracelet with more blue and white glass beads. Also used a combination of frosted pinks and gold pearl beads and gold splatter beads. Pretty purple and lilac part cluster necklace. Again by coiling the head pins, making that focal area more bright and eye-catching. Single strand beading wire and crimped. I used a geometric crystal glass bead. Another cluster using gorgeous purple and lilac 6mm glass beads. Vibrant and bold reds and yellows. And hints of pinks. A statement design. A mix of pinks and grey 6mm glass beads. Focal bead with silver foil inside a pretty blue glass bead. Very unique.